Kanino bola? Green.
Green.
Green. Let's go to go. Hindi.
Inside pass, okay. Jumper. Padilla nakulit tayo. Binigay. Kasi na, 3 seconds violation. Lawan. Second to play. De Los Reyes. TJ. 10 seconds to shoot. Labing Padilla. Kaya pa dito sa Ines. Padilla. Foul number 18. Third personal foul. And first team foul. Dahil, pinag-ikot. Hindi pa ako iba. Ball is played.
Uy!
Stolen. Tinawag-tawag. Mubara. Lazy up again. Same result. Veracruz. Hindi Manila. Veracruz. Jumper. Muting nila. Hindi ba tayo namin again? Substitutions na. Sa Pablo Lee. Ball it pass out. Pablo Lee. 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Inbound, stolen by Dito. Pagkawag-awag ang deta. Lays it up. Fourth period. Advance for number 17. Atin niya. Pagkawag deta. Lays it up. Ibang makukuha ni Dito. Dito. Pagkawag-awag mo rin. Pagkawag-awag. Six again. Lays it up. Fourth period. Gets the foul. Chance for a 3-point play. Substitution left. Bang in, De La Cruz out. Good shot. Para kay Jay. Good shot. Hindi pumasok rin may hinatid. Dito. Nakita ko paano rin. Sa pagkaw tumayan. Bahen. Current by Tumaray. Skill na ilagan. Ibaw. Pas na ilagan. Marami na iba. violation. Dito. Okay. Two points. Wow, number 23. Second personal foul and second game pass. Second foul and second. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. 2 for 2 for Ilagan. Tuloy na ng press. Hindi pumasok. Rebound pag-in by Ilagan. Padilla. Defended by Tito. Back to Ilagan. Ilagan. 37. Fast break stole by Bahe. Padilla. Gagawin ang ulawak. Stole by Tito. Down. Number 17. Third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. 14 in, 13 out. Jay, first jumper. Vitis. Rebound by San Pablo. Stolen by Naon. Down. Gito. Johnny by Padilla. Pass to Jay. Having pass to Ubare. From downtown, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Ilagan. Baseball pass to Bahe. Violation. Okay, balik to Ibahe. Tumubale. Inside pass na ng Pagkaya. 2 points for Silvio Tumag.
Binato lang eh.
Swerte.
Nakapakal, Jasper. Rebound. PJ. Ulaw. Score natin, 38-49. Three-point target. Airborne. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Oo, idrip ka ba?
Baseball pa ilagan. Pagpunta, pinapasok. Nakuha niya ulit.
Gogo, di ko naging doon.
Binigay kay Legaspi. Legaspi, dapat yung masok. Jay. Punta sa gitna. Legaspi, pinlock pa ilagan. Wala na kuha ni ilagan. Pass down by Baray. Jay. Pagkakat. 2 points for the Mayland. Padilla. Padilla, 3-point attack. And converts 3 points. Score natin 43-51. Close game. Dito, drive by Padilla. Legaspi, jumper, yung wasong rebound by San Pablo. To Bahay. Bahay to Padilla. Padilla attack. And converts. 2 points for number 11. To Bahay. 15-second shot clock. Okay. Fake pass. Floater. Hindi pumasok. Ito pa ilaga. Nakapakal mo. Tubahe. 15-second shot clock. Tubahe. Lazy out. Nakamasok. Reverse. Hindi pumasok. Hindi pa pag-pay. Nakawala ng doon at nakakong yung ilaga. Dati pa pa sa akin. Hindi Padilla. Padilla. Hindi pumasok. Take to RJ.
Bola! Oh, tol.
First base on the
May maririnig.
second base on the Bahin. Yung downtown, hindi ba ito? Ano ba yung riba? Ano ba ito? Test naman. 3 points. Bahin.
Apat.
35 seconds remaining sa third quarter. One time game. Attacks to the face. Wow, number 13. Bunsa. Para wala tayong nakambakan. Nakambakan nila. Ikimahin. Bahin. Ikimahin sa dalawa. Bawas sa dalawa. Wala. Timeout, Ranger.
Pagod yan.
Tingnan akong timeout na lang. Ang paggamit ng day. Parang over yan.
Besides to
4.4 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Ball possession ng Chief Orange. 4 seconds to make something out of it. Let's see. Padilla. Padilla. Stop it. That's the end of our third quarter.
Transaction.